Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the NMACC Gala Awards night in Mumbai, India, April 1st. This was a night of celebration, a night of recognition, and a night to honor the best of the best in the industry. Zendaya wore a dazzling violet sari while Gigi Hadid made a stunning appearance in an ivory and golden sari by designer duo Ambani and Sandeep Khosla. Natasha Poonawalla flaunted her maximalist style at the NMACC event in a floral embroidered gown with a feathery overcoat, while Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas serenaded us with gorgeous blush sexy shimmering dress leaving little for one's imaginations.